guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
This is the Antec case, the new computer. You can see it's got a glass door here. Now, if you open it up, you can actually open up to full and get it out. Okay, so no more glass for now. This metal thing actually comes out. CPU is probably blocking your view. Let me turn it around. This line is where the graphics card goes. On the side, there's a thing you can push out. All right, you can take these things off. There's something else I have to unscrew here. Okay, it's in. Yeah, just need a power cable here now. And 2 screws, lock it up. There was something here, I think. Screw the graphics card in. If it doesn't move, it's probably fine, right? We'll need to see where the power cable is coming from. So there's the power supply. I'm gonna unscrew this. Take this out. A vertical view. Okay, this is interesting. So because it's all cable tied, it's very hard to get the cables out. So really, the only way I can think of doing it is to cut the cable tie, which is gonna make it a mess. But this is why my other computer wasn't really cable tied properly. Thank you to whoever built my computer, but I have to cut the cable tie. All right, take some of this stuff out. Okay, here's some of that power cable I've been looking for. Okay, all the SATA cables. There's a lot of it. Okay, so out of all of these cables that are spreading out like this, the only one that I need to feed through back to the front of the case is this one saying PCIe. It's got the word PCIe on it. So I'm feeding this one through. There is a hole down here. I'm feeding this one through so I can see it at the front of the case. Okay, you can see this one saying PCIe. PCIe over here. PCIe. So I'm going to see whether this one fits. Okay, so it's pushed in. Now I should be able to boot the computer. Okay, should be able to boot the computer. Let's see whether it turns on. Okay guys, this is the back of the new computer. Super messy at the moment. You can see cables are still sticking out from the back. But I've plugged in the mouse and the keyboard here. I've plugged in the display cable here. I've plugged in the power cable here. And now I'm going to turn it on and just see what happens. Turn it on. All right, let's just see if it turns on. Whoa. So cool. So cool. Fans. Oh, look at the... Whoa. Look at the fans. Okay, now let's see what it says on here. Nebula PC, welcome. What? What? How is Windows already on there? I'm pretty sure I didn't pay for Windows. This is crazy. This is Windows 11 already on. Let's go to settings. Okay. So yeah, it hasn't been logged in or anything. But yeah, Windows is on, so it's working.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.